Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be reviewing this cute little ash blonde beach wave beauty right here. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to know about my La Vida Rosa style giveaway. I'm going to be opening up my own La Vida Rosa style shop soon. So to kick it off, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving away 5 cute pair of earrings. If you would like a chance to enter this giveaway and win these items, the instructions will be down below, and go ahead and sign up while you can because the giveaway will be ending this week. And don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So today's wig is from Red Carpet Premiere. It is a lace front wig in the style Bia and in the color SR4 Creamy Blondes. And it's like a very ash blonde looking color. It almost looks gray, but it's like ash blonde. It's very cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this baby on. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. So I'm loving this. This is like kind of like a beach wave type of look. It's like a dark deep brown root, and it's like ombreing down into this ash blonde color. Like I said, it's like right on the verge of gray. This is cute. I'm liking this. This is a little different for me. It comes like right above boob length in the front. It comes about to my bra strap in the back. This is Futura Kanekalon hair, which you can apply heat to up to 400 degrees. And it has like a shine to it, but it's like a very natural shine. The hair looks very realistic. It's almost like a grungy unkempt look, but it's like styled at the same time. Like you could tell it's a style done on purpose. This is the part which I am gonna add a little concealer to, because you know I like for my parts to really look like parts. Whenever I wear my wigs in public and people that I know see me, they're like, girl, I almost didn't recognize you with that wig on. I feel like this is when I could really like go incognito with, because I've never worn anything like this. I didn't really get any shedding or tangling at all because I didn't really brush it. Haven't really messed with it too much because I didn't want to like mess up the, you know, beach waviness of it. I felt like that would like get rid of the whole essence of the wig. And then on top of all that, if this wig wasn't good enough, it's only $30. Yes, $30, and you can purchase yours on ebonyline.com. The link will be down below. So it definitely passes the La Vida Rosa hair flip test. Okay, it definitely made it past that test. If I had to grade this wig, I would give it a I'm gonna give it a B, because I kind of wish the part were a little bit more, I don't know, I wish the part was giving me a little bit more. I probably could have plucked it. I didn't feel like it. So as is, I'm gonna give the wig a B, but I feel like it's an awesome wig. I feel like the hair is beautiful. I feel like it flows. Futura hair is awesome, synthetic hair. So I think the rest of the wig is basically on point, and I wouldn't change anything else about it. But I would love to know what you guys think down below. Tell me what you think about the color, the cut, the style. I just want to know your opinion. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace. I like this. I almost don't want to take it off, but I got one more wig review to do.